Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yeah, street food in Korea, really good. Well, actually, did I ever tell you when Nabi Mama and me were I think we were looking for a very specific Korean street food. I was sitting on the ground eating some street food, and then some foreigners, like tourists, like a small group of tourists, they were like, Kiara? They know me! I'm like, what the fuck? It's not even Koreans recognizing me, but tourists, being tourists in Korea, were like, oh, you Kiara? I'm like, yeah, that was interesting. I never told you, huh? I wonder if any Koreans recognized me and just didn't say anything. Are you Kiara? Oh. Eh! You stopped yourself from asking, but you saw me. Oh, yabe, yabe, yabe. I mean, generally, it depends. If I look like at that moment, if I look like a homeless person, if I look like shit, then maybe don't talk to me, because then I would be very embarrassed about talking to you or being recognized. Like messy hair, like weird, not cute clothes and no makeup and sweaty as fuck. I don't know. If I look like that, then don't say hello. Yeah, generally you can say hello. It's okay if you find me. If you find an orange bird on the street, you can generally say hello. But this orange bird doesn't go outside much, so good luck with that. Oh my god. Oh.